My Grohe Blue flashed an E1 error and handle flashed red. I tried to re-sync and then it went into a cleaning mode. C1 through C4 displayed and water ran out of faucet. Now it shows C4 and handle is flashing purple.
Do you know the model of your Grohe faucet? How old is it?
It was installed 2017.
How long has this been going on with your Grohe faucet? What have you tried so far?
Unplugging, changing filter, the usual troubleshooting steps.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so. Should I just unplug and wait 30?
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I am sorry you are having issues. I'll be glad to assist you today. E1 safety shutoff of pump. Please disconnect the power supply, wait 30 seconds and reconnect. Insert filter straight, 1.5, 2 turns. Check hoses for kinks. Open shutoff valves fully.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.